According to a recent report, Ford could unveil their new GT race cars sometime next month. Details are limited, but Car and Driver is reporting the model will enter competition next year in the Le Mans GTE class. As a result, it will square off with the Chevrolet Corvette C7.R, Ferrari 458, Italia GT2 and Porsche 911 RSR. Little else is known about the race car, but the magazine is reporting the outgoing model's twin-turbo 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine will likely produce more than 700 bhp, 522 kilowatts. If that number pans out, the GT would be more powerful than a number of high-performance supercars, including the new Ferrari 488 GTB. Source: Car and Driver.